Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am with a trigonometrical problem for class 11. Okay, this is for class 11 NCERT approved book K through. This is the questions. At least it is of 2.5 marks. Okay, now I am going to start. First of all, we have to see what is the question. Cos of 6 theta, we have to prove. Cos of 6 theta will be equal to 32 cos to the power 6 theta minus 48 cos to the power 4 theta plus 18 cos to the square theta minus 1. This is to be proved. Okay, let's start with left hand side. Left hand side. This is cos of 6 tan theta. Okay, cos of 6 tan theta. This can be written as cos of double of 3 theta. With, okay, it means cos of 2a, the formula can be applied of cos of 2a. Cos of 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. This is well known to us. सबको पता है cos 2a 2 cos square a minus 1 होता है. फॉर्मूला आप चेक कर लीजिए. that cos of a plus b is equal to होता है cos of a plus into cos of b minus sin of a into sin of b. If a become equal to b, then it will become inside this bracket 2a, and then we'll get cos of 2a will be equal to a become b. It means cos a, cos a. It means cos square a minus sin a into sin a. It means sin square a, and this is to be converted in cos formula 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. Then we'll get cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. This cos square a, this cos square a will be added and we'll get 2 cos square a minus 1. It means cos of 2a can be written in this form. Okay? Okay, this is proof. Now in place of here this 2 is the same, but in place of a we have to use 3 times theta. It means this can be written as cos of 6 theta. This can be written as 2 into cos square of 3 theta minus 1. Isn't clear? ये बिल्कुल यहाँ तक स्टेप क्लियर है? Now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now this is cos square theta 3 theta. This 3 theta, it can be written as 2 into cos of 3 theta whole square minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find the formula of cos of 3 theta. Let's go rub कर देते हैं. This is of no use, so that we are going to rub it. Cos 3 theta is to be found. When we put the formula of cos theta in terms of cos, then we'll get the result. Acha. Cos of 3 theta. Cos of 3 theta. Further, this can be written as cos of theta plus 2 theta. Clear? This is just same formula cos of a plus b. This can be written as cos of theta into cos of 2 theta minus sin of theta into sin of 2 theta. Clear? यहाँ तक बिल्कुल क्लियर है? ओके, और आगे चलिए. This is further cos of theta will remain same, and now further cos of 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 as in the previous case. पहले था तो क्या था, इसके लिख सकते हैं 2 cos square theta minus 1 as per the previous formula I have done already. Now this is the value of this portion. Now minus sin 2 theta. Sin 2 in terms of sin 2 theta, we have to retain the term of sin theta in terms of cos theta. Sin of 2 theta. Formula of cos sin of 2 theta. Sin of a plus b. The formula of sin of a plus b this is equal to sine of A into cos of B plus cos of A into sine of B. Now, if A is equal to B, then this will become sine of 2A. Okay, this will be equal to A is equal to B. Sine A into cos A. Cos A into sine A. It means 2 times sine of A into cos of A. If we are putting A is equal to B in this formula. It means this is the formula of cos 2A in terms of sinus. We can write sine of 2A as 2 sine A cos A. So now this was the value sine A into cos 2A. Cos 2A was open. It means we have to put the value of cos sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta in place of this. This is the multiple of sin. ये sin theta का है multiple था. इसकी जगह sin 2 theta की जगह ये फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से 2 sin theta into cos of theta लिख देंगे. Okay, now we are going to run this. Okay, ओपन कीजिए और इसको ओपन कीजिए तो वी कैन राइट दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cos थीटा व्हिच इज टू बी पुट ओवर हियर. इसकी वैल्यू cos ऑफ थीटा की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं जो यहाँ रखनी है in terms of cos because we are having sin we have to remove sin. अच्छा, because in right hand side only cos terms is there. अच्छा, अब इसको ओपन कीजिए. दिस विल बी cos ऑफ थीटा 2 times cos थीटा क्यूब. ठीक है ना, 2 cos स्क्वायर इन cos क्यूब माइनस cos ऑफ theta. Simple. Okay, clear? Okay, and this sin theta inside there, this is 2 sin square theta into cos of theta. अब भी sin है, this sin is to also be removed. This is to be removed. Now sin square theta in place of further this can be written 2 cos cube theta minus cos of theta will remain same minus 2 into sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta into cos of theta. Clear? In place of this we have written this 1 minus cos square theta. Every term is now in cos. Open it. Open किया 2 cos cube theta minus cos of theta. This cos theta and this 2 inside here minus 2 cos of theta. This cos theta, this 2 इसके संख्या है बच में plus 2 into cos cube theta. Okay, this 2 cos cube theta and this 2 cos cube theta added together and this is single cos from this and this. So we'll get 4 times cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta. This is the value of cos of 3 theta. In place of cos of theta 3 theta we can write this term. Okay, this was here. Now it means this will be equal to 2 into cos of 3 theta. Is it 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole square minus 1. Minus 1 is there, it is not to be disturbed. ये तो है. अब now this will be open. 2 into square of this a square minus b square is equal to a square in means 14 cos cube theta whole square plus 3 into cos theta whole square minus 2 4s are 8 12 24 cos to the power 4. फॉर्मूला कौन सा अप्लाई किया? a plus b whole square. This can be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Okay, same formula. Oh, this is minus, sorry. Minus. We have applied the formula of minus. Okay, and except this minus 1 already here. Open it out further. This is 2 into bracket 16 cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 3s are 9 cos square theta minus 24 cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, this is inside the bracket minus 1. 2 will go inside. This is 32 cos to the power 6 theta. 9 to the 18 cos to the power 2 theta. 24 into 2 is 48 cos to the power 4 theta and minus 1. It is proved. देखिए 32 cos 6 theta minus 48 cos to the power 4 theta plus 18 cos 5 theta minus 1. Proved. Hence proved. आपको cos a plus b के जब फॉर्मूले याद है, then you can do each and everything very well. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and I think that you enjoy my maths, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it. Okay. Subscribe करना, like करना, share करना ना भूलिए, because this is very much helpful to all the other students who are dealing with class 11th. Okay. Good night. Good luck. Thank you.